Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your employer payroll card online, follow these step-by-step instructions to access your wages quickly and conveniently. Step 1. Locate the activation instructions that came with your payroll card. These materials typically include a website URL and your card details. Step 2. Visit the official website of the payroll card provider using the URL provided by your employer. Make sure you're on the correct, secure website. Step 3. Look for the Activate Card or Register button on the homepage and click it to begin the activation process. Step 4. Enter your card number, security code, and any other required information exactly as it appears on your card. Double-check for accuracy. Step 5. Create your online account by choosing a unique username and secure password. Write these credentials down in a safe place. Step 6. Provide additional personal information for identity verification, such as your social security number, date of birth, and address. Step 7. Set up a personal identification number, PIN, for ATM access and point-of-sale transactions. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Step 8. Review your account details and confirm activation. You should receive a confirmation message on screen and possibly via email. Your card is now ready to receive direct deposits from your employer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.